If discipline is not the aim of education, the money spent on education is a national waste. Unless you have a spark in you, what all you learn will go a waste. The spark in you is going to determine your future, not your degrees. இப்போ நான் MA, MPhil எல்லாம் படிச்சிருக்கிறேன். My MA, my MPhil did not make me famous. It is the spark inside me, it is the fire inside me that has made me so popular and famous. So the spark is important. For you, as an institution, my dear boys and girls, listen to me, the spark is important as an institution and as an inspiration. That's very important. And then I love the discipline maintained in this gathering. I know you are controlled by the teachers standing here and there, I know. But in spite of the presence of the teachers in some schools and colleges, boys and girls make a lot of hootings, shoutings, growlings, howlings. All such boys and girls can be made for all the dramatics, mimicry, miming, highly disciplined. I remember one beautiful quotation from Mahatma Gandhi. The quotation goes like this: if discipline is not the aim of education, the money spent on education is a national waste. Discipline is very important. In fact, discipline is the indication for your being educated. நீங்க படிச்சவங்க, நீங்க கற்றவர்கள், கற்றறிந்தவர்கள் என்பதற்கு அடையாளமே என்ன? டே டு டே கான்வர்சேஷன்ல என்ன கேட்குறான்? ஏண்டா படிச்சும் அறிவில்லாம பேசுறியடாங்கிறான். This is a wonderful saying. ஏண்டா படிச்சும் அறிவில்லாம பேசுறீங்கன்னா அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம் ஆகுதுன்னா, படிச்சவன்ல சில பேர் அறிவில்லாம இருக்கான்னு தெரிகிறது. The indication is discipline. You are an educated person. What is the indication? The indication is discipline. படிச்சவன் ஒழுங்கா நடப்பான், ஒழுக்கமா நடப்பான். See, when your deputy chairman, Mr. Balaji, என்ன சொல்றது, garlanded me or he presented me with a portrait of your school, and he touched my feet. I never expected. According to the protocol, I should touch his feet here, because this is his school. I may even be more educated than himself, that is different. But here in this campus, he is more important. So he need not touch my feet, but he touched my feet. That's a kind of high discipline, high manners. This discipline, these manners, you will imbibe only by being in touch with literature, language and literature. Especially if you are in touch with the poems of Robert Frost, you will come to know a lot of things about life, about the spark in life, about the spark in mind. Because every poet writes poems not by a pen, but by the spark inside them. ஒரு கவிதை வருதுன்னா அது பேனால இருந்து வருதுன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க, உள்ளுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஒளி இருக்குது. அக்கார்டிங் டு பாரதிய, இஃப் ஐ ரிமெம்பர் கரெக்ட்லி, உள்ளத்திலே ஒளி உண்டாயின் வார்த்தையிலே ஒளி உண்டாகும். That is the spark. That is the spark you get from poetry. You get discipline from poetry. You get manners from poetry, literature. And the rapt attention with which you listen to the talk. That is more important in a gathering. What is the difference between a crowd and a gathering? This is not a crowd, this is a gathering. In a crowd, you cannot expect discipline and decorum. But in a gathering, there should be discipline and decorum. Unless there is discipline and decorum, this cannot be called a gathering. I was not at all given a chance to speak in English debates because people disbelieve me. You go to interior villages, in the presence of Kaliamman, in the presence of Mariamman, ஒரு ஆளு ரெண்டு ஆளா உட்கார்ந்துருப்பான். Are you able to follow what I say? ரெண்டு எல்லாம் பூசிங். அப்படியே இந்த பாருங்க இப்படியே உட்காந்துருவான். அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோல உட்காந்துருவான். நம்ம பயங்கரமா பேசுவோம். சிலப்பதிகாரத்தில் இளங்கோவடிகள் அப்படின்னா நாம சபாஷ். He doesn't know anything about இளங்கோவடிகள். He doesn't know anything about சிலப்பதிகாரம். But he says சபாஷ் to me. சபாஷ். பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறவரை எப்படி தெரியுமா அவள என்னவா பேசுறான். 5 நிமிஷம் கழிச்சு என்ன பேசுறான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் என்னமா பேசுறாம்மா. நம்ம we will be flabbergasted. We will be flattered. Oh my God, even a drunkard is able to understand my speech. என் கோ ஸ்பீக்கர் சொல்வார், only drunkards will understand your speech. என்னவா ஒரு ட்ரங்கர் கூட நம்ம பேச்ச ரசிக்கிறானே அப்படின்னு நினைச்சு அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸ் ஒரு within few minutes என்னடா பேசுறான், யாரா அவனை கூட்டு வந்தது. That's a crowd. But I am proud to tell you, my dear boys and girls, that we tried through Pattimandrums to discipline the most indisciplined lot in Tamil Nadu. ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாம வந்தவனெல்லாம் டிசிப்ளின் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Some people have come and told me that they have given up drinking, boozing. So, but here, this is a different experience, talking to good boys and girls. Disciplined lot. Wonderful teachers listening to the speaker. That is something wonderful. In some schools it doesn't happen. Respected chief guest will be going on speaking and the most respected teachers will also be going on speaking. But here I find the teachers sitting around listening to me. That is very important. A meeting becomes successful not by the speaker but by the listeners. Remember. நான் பேசுறதுனால வெற்றி வராது. ஒரு கூட்டத்துடைய வெற்றி, the success of a meeting does not depend on the speaker. It depends wholly on the listeners. So I am very happy. I am really privileged. I am proud to be here. And your vice principal was telling you about the importance of English language. English is very important. I tell you this because I was teaching English. I have been teaching English for more than 34 years. I was particular about teaching English, even if boys and girls didn't listen to me.